Stone Floor Cleaning Fetchum by Fabritec Stone Care. Are you tired of feeling like you're fighting a losing battle against your natural stone floors? You've tried everything from scrubbing to mopping, but nothing seems to get them clean. It's time to stop the frustration and start searching for a solution. With Fabritec Stone Care, you can say goodbye to dull and lackluster stone and hello to a stunning and vibrant floors. Don't settle for mediocre cleaning services that only scratch the surface. With Fabritec Stone Care, you'll get a level of attention to detail that's unmatched in the industry. Our team works tirelessly to remove even the toughest stains and restore your floors to their original beauty. Don't settle for less than the best. Choose Fabritec Stone Care for all your natural stone cleaning needs. Get an estimate for stone and tile cleaning and restoration. Call 0779 860 8640 now.